My name is Meenakshi. I'm basically an architect and I've done my master's in urban design and I'm pursuing urban planning at Delhi and I'm working as an assistant director in BMRDA. And when I got an opportunity to attend this workshop, I was little reluctant what they are going to do with the heritage sort of thing and all those things. And then first day when I came to this workshop, first session I was trying to understand what is that living urban heritage, what they are talking about. Further it went on with the interesting aspects, elements and all those things added up and it made an interesting workshop. So what I felt was the aspect which was lagging today in this development era. So I felt that urban heritage, living heritage should be considered and all people, that awareness should rise and everyone should think about those aspects. The overall workshop was really good. It is helpful to us and we know something to what we are supposed to think in future ahead. But in some aspects, where I felt little low in grading, more of it's bound with the four walls. What we had now in between, like interaction sections and doing some small assessment sort of thing and workshop. In the workshop again small workshop which is conducted between the candidates making a group and conducting the workshop. It should have been done in the beginning of the days also. First 2 days it was like packed with all the presentations and all those things. And the Gavipuram, what we went for the site visit, the first day when we went, being me also a Bangalorean, I didn't know much about that place. So we went around through the streets. So we felt, yes, lot of heritage, living heritage which need to be conserved. So then that site visit was very interesting, but we didn't had much time to explore more. So then the next day where we had an interaction with the community people, the local community people was very interesting. They told their ideas, they told history about the place. And we have lot of wide history being in that place and nobody knew. My interest was not on much on heritage and conservation and all those things. So it really made me to think ahead about such aspects. So further in future, surely I'll think about that. And we got an idea of making, practicality, bringing practicality into this workshop at the end of the day. So we are preparing that TOR and implementation DPRs and all those things, involvement with the other state people also. And we have come to know a lot of interchange of that activities which is happening in their individual states. So that is the one plus point. See, I was as a student I heard about only the architecture, heritage and conservation, few words. But living urban heritage is something different which I didn't knew. It means so much to me now after coming and attending this workshop. For example, what I understand about the living urban architecture is heritage is like we have an old ancestral photos. We add a life to it. We make it, even though the frame is broken down, we add a frame and make it lively and give some life to it. So many aspects of culture, tradition and etc. it goes on. So add a life to it, bring a life to it and continue that aspect that is required in nowadays. So that is a very important thing which I got from this workshop which is held at IIHS.